All right, guys, I am finally back, and this is kind of a little update. I will be posting more videos that have already happened because, I haven't posted in a year, and there's a little peek at that. There's videos on that I got to post from last year, but yeah, here is going to be my current project that I will be working on. I plan on doing a little budget build on it. It's a 2009 Silverado 1500, and yeah, I'm just gonna try and clean it up. I want to fix all the rust on it, so I got a lot of body work to do. I got patch panels back here and rockers, and I got all new lights for it that I will be paint matching. I got different wheels to put on it since well, they're so dirty it's hard to tell, but let's see if we can see up here. Someone was gnawing on them, so I'll probably paint them up and sell them or something. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing all the body work on it. Here's a little before. The rockers are pretty much gone, and then just do a little walk around. I want to paint match a lot of stuff on it too. Probably keep the chrome, but put different mirrors on it because I don't like those ones since it's not that lifted. I think it's got a 2-inch level in it, or a 2-inch lift, whatever you want to call it. I got new headlights for it. I'll repaint the bumpers. I'll paint this down here, paint match that. Thinking about paint matching the grill and maybe doing billet inserts. Not decided yet, but probably gonna get rid of this because it's broken on this side, unfortunately, which sucks because I kind of like it. But probably gonna get a bullet and then paint match the cowl probably. I like these, so these will stay. Flares will go. And yeah, here's this side. Pretty rough, pretty banged up too. The guy I got it from said he ran into a stump, so I might just put a different door on, and then I don't know if I got a back door or not, but that's pretty rough. Yeah, try and fix that. And then yeah, you can see the whole rocker got dented in too, so gotta try and fix all that. Hopefully just replacing the rocker will fix that. And then this side is really bad too, so you can see pretty far gone. And then in the back, I got a different bumper for it. Still gonna be chrome, but this one's all mangled up. And I also gotta pull this dent out of the box right here. And I'm paint matching taillights for it. I'm gonna paint match all this trim on the bumper and then put a different chrome one on there. So I kinda want some chrome accents. Paint match most of it. I got different black wheels going on it. They're 20 by 10s. These are 22 by 12s. And then I'll probably take these covers off, most likely. I might put GM covers back on it, but I just don't really like the look of these, and I don't really like the look of this one either. And there's a dent in the tailgate I gotta pull out, and then this piece is like getting loose. So I will have to get a new one of those that I'll probably paint match, and probably paint match this handle too. But yeah, I gotta do a little bit of work on the tailgate. But yeah, the biggest thing will be doing the lights and the body work. But yeah, I'm gonna get started on it this weekend, so I figured I'd do a little update video on the before of it and everything. A little walk around. It's a decent truck. It's almost got 300K on it, but that's why I'm just doing a little budget build. Plus I got a bunch of parts for these, and parts aren't too expensive. But like the doors chipping, so I'm gonna have to do a full paint job. I got a gallon of paint, but that probably won't be enough to do the whole truck, but we'll see how far that goes and what happens. The biggest thing is fixing the rust on the bed because this looks bad. And the guy before me, actually one of my buddies, snapped the flare off and lost it, so that's cool. So it's like, might as well do body work and learn. Perfect truck to learn on. And then I did the black down here, but that'll probably have to go for when I paint it. Or I might just paint over it and keep that nice texture that it has, but we'll see because the door is all peeling. So I might have to just try and get rid of all that and redo it. that'll probably have to happen. But yeah, so a little bit of a before. I don't know if I'll paint match the door handles yet or just do chrome covers. I might even try to put LEDs in it, but I don't know if I'll go that in depth. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, just a little bit of a before here of it. And I also ordered a radio, and I was tempted to paint match these inserts. That's why this one's loose already, but haven't decided yet because I'm more worried about the cosmetics of the outside, because I might have to order another gallon of paint, which in that case then I'll for sure do that stuff. And like these and these, I'm thinking about getting subs for it, and put them under the seat. This second glove box is broken, so I put a different one in it. Have a Bluetooth, CarPlay, radio, and all that coming. This is all my bodywork stuff, and then I got tint in here for it because my buddy tried doing tint and it just turned out awful. So I'll do that, and yeah, there you guys have it. Oh, I also got to fix the center console because it's busted right at the back. But there you guys have it, and some big changes coming to it, so stay tuned for that.